Does your email inbox look like this? All kinds of emails from teachers and junk mail and even your mom. I'd like to show you some tips on how to keep your inbox organized and clutter-free so that you don't get overwhelmed. So the first thing that I like to do is read through my inbox messages and figure out what's trash and get rid of them. So this is about history class. This is ELA, math. That's science. Okay, get rich quick. That's junk. So I'm going to click this box. This day in history, that must be history class. Did you pick up your at-home learning? Pick up some lunch kids. Those must be from the school district. Oh, there's one from mom. Essay due. That must be ELA. Buy this junk. All right. That's junk mail. Math, science. Okay, finish setting up a Google account. I already did that, so I'm going to click that. So I clicked these three because they're junk. So now that they're highlighted, I'm going to go up here and click the trash can. Okay. So now I'm going to go through and decide, okay, do I keep these things in my inbox or do I put them somewhere? I am going to make folders for all my different classes, and then I can attack each class one at a time. So this is from history class, so I'm going to click that, and I know there was another one from history. Okay, so now that I've clicked those, I'm going to go up to this Move To button, and I'm going to move this to a folder that I'm going to make. So I click that. If I already have folders made, they'll show right here, but I don't have folder made for history, so I'm going to type right here, history. And then that shows up as a create new down here, and I'm going to click on that. It asks me if I want to create like tiers. They call them nesting. I'm not going to. I'm just going to click create. All right, so now this looks like it's from English class. So I will click that. And I think there was another one, essay. Okay. And sometimes you can decide what to choose based on who it's from. These are all mock emails that I created. So they look like they're all from me, but we're pretending that they're from like Mrs. Ivy and Mrs. Purdue and Mr. Wilhelm. All right, so those are highlighted. I go up here. I'm going to write, you guys call your class EL. I'm just going to call it English. So I click on that, and it asks me if I want to nest. I'm just going to click create. Let's do this for math, math, math. Create a math folder. Science. Okay, so science, science. Notice when I'm going up here to put these things into their folders, the folders I've created are showing up, plus the ones that Google automatically puts in here. I just ignore those. Science one. Okay, now these other ones, who are they from? Okay, this is from mom, so I might just read that, and if I don't have to save it, I'll just delete it. These look like they're from the school district. Did you pick up your at-home learning and pick up some lunch kids? So I'm going to just delete those because I've already picked up my work. You could make a Fremont City School District folder if you wanted to. All right, so now that I've organized my emails, how do I get to them? Go over here to the left. So let's say I feel like doing math first today. So I click on math. It shows all the emails. So I'm going to click on this assignment, or whatever this is, a message, read this, and then I have to decide, is it something I need to keep? If I need to keep it, I can just go back and it's going to stay in the math folder. But let's decide, okay, I don't really need that anymore. So I'm going to click on that, click the trash can. I hope this helps you. Let me know if there are any other tech tutorials you want to see.